Hi, welcome to OpenHallway. OpenHallway allows you to perform simple usability tests via the web. It was created by web developers that needed a way to usability test websites and web applications quickly. It's browser-based, so your testers won't have to install any software or even come to your office. And it works in any browser, so your testers can be on a Mac or on a PC. Let's do a quick example. I'm going to log in and get to my project page. I'm going to create a new project. For this particular example, let's say I worked at Twitter and maybe I'm a developer or a marketer, and I wanted to test the registration process and get some feedback and see some recordings of people actually going through the registration process. I'm going to create the new project and call it Twitter. Next, I can create multiple scenarios within my project. So maybe I want to go beyond testing the registration form. Let's start though by testing the registration form. We'll type in registration as the name, and we'll enter twitter.com as the URL to send the testers to. And I'm going to provide a couple of instructions. First, I'm going to tell the testers to join Twitter and tweet your first post. Second, maybe I want a little bit of feedback on our general look and feel. I'll say, please provide feedback on our look and feel. I'm going to go ahead and create that. Next, OpenHallway provides me with a link to share with any testers. I can share this via email, over the web, over instant message, or I could shoot it out through a social network. Jacob Nielsen, the author of much research on usability testing, suggests you test 3 to 5 users. That can generally identify 95% of all usability issues within your project. But OpenHallway doesn't restrict you from sending it out to a lot of people, as long as you keep in mind that you do have a recording storage limit over here. For this particular example, I'm going to hop into the testing role. Let's assume I got the link via email or instant message, and I clicked on it. I'm going to paste that into my Safari browser as if I just clicked on the link from a tester point of view. Brings me to this screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop into the testing role as if I were a tester that just received this. So it says, thank you for participating in a usability test for Twitter. I'm going to tell them my name and my email. And next it's going to give me a little bit of instructions. It says they're going to record my screen and voice. They want to know what I think. They tell me to speak my thoughts. They're going to cap my test at 10 minutes. Don't feel obligated to take the full time. That's great because maybe as a tester I don't want to. And if I have multiple monitors, this should be my primary monitor. So I'm going to continue. And here are the instructions the test creator provided. I want to join Twitter and tweet my first post, and I'm going to provide feedback on their look and feel. By clicking Start, I'm giving the test creator permission to use the recording, and that's fine with me as the tester. So I'm going to click Start, and I'll notice that my session has begun. It's asking me to return to this window and click Stop Recording once the test is complete. And it gives me a button to open the test site. Again, it's recording me right now. So I'm going to open up the browser. It's also, you'll notice it's going to be recording my full screen, and you'll see that in the end result video. So let's say I'm the tester again, and I come to Twitter, I'm giving feedback. Maybe I say, hey, I'm not sure about this bird. Not really a big fan of birds. I'm intrigued by the watch a video tab. That's the first thing I see, but my instructions are to get started and join. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go through this process. Maybe I get tripped up by the fact that many sites ask me to put in a confirmation password, and maybe I want to give that feedback. This captcha looks like an awful hard thing to read, so I'm going to provide that feedback as well. Let's say I'm done with the test. I'm going to close that and stop the recording. Next, it's going to upload, and it's going to upload it while I'm allowed to type in some final comments. Twitter looks great. Few things like confirm password threw me for a loop. And I'm going to hit submit, and I'm complete. So now that I've completed the test in the tester role, let's move back over to the test creator role. When the tester is complete and the video has been converted for viewing, OpenHallway sends me as the test creator an email letting me know that it's ready to view. If I come back into my account, I can see that Mick Hewitt's finished testing about 9 minutes ago. I'll click on his results and I can hit play and watch the video of him testing the Twitter registration form. And I'll notice that a session has begun. So here's our video. I can fast forward and view the usability test. I can full screen. So let's say I'm the tester again, come back, and I come to Twitter, pause that. Giving feedback. You'll notice it recorded the tester's entire screen. In our premium version, you can actually download this in MPEG-4 format and edit it and do whatever you'd like with it. All accounts come with this share feature, so if you have a client that you want to share the results with, you can instant message or email them this link and they can view it. You can view the tester's notes that they wrote, as well as put in information of any of your own notes into this particular tester's feedback. And I'm going to go back and just return to my projects, and that pretty much sums up OpenHallway. Please check out our plans and pricing. We'd love to have you sign up.